Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert photo inside the cell of Excel. So let's begin. I have a dummy Excel sheet ready and I have a column called photo. I will insert the image here. So go to insert menu and click on picture. Now select the photo you want to import, like graphs. The graphs is imported, so I will fit this graph photo according to my photo field. So let's decrease the size and position this image into it, and I will import other images. Picture, insert lemon. I'm putting this image into this field, and I will import another one which is orange. Decrease the size to fit in the cell. Now what we need to do is right click on the photo and select the size and properties. Go to the properties, then select the move and size with cells, then close. Apply the same setting for other images. Right click, size, then properties, then select move and size with cells again for the last image. Yeah, so I have changes its properties and sizes. So if you increase and decrease the cell size, you see the images will be repositioned according to the changes. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.